What are polynomials? A polynomial in X is an algebraic expression of the form a sub n multiplied by x to the n plus a sub n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 times x to the n minus 2 plus however many other terms there are, down to a sub plus a sub 1x plus a naught, a sub 0, where a sub n minus 1, a sub n minus 2, and all of those other coefficients are real numbers, and a sub n is not equal to 0, where n is a non-negative integer. Simply put, a polynomial is a single term, or a sum of two or more terms containing variables and whole number exponents. That's important. Whole number. We cannot have negative exponents in this. That would be a totally different type of equation, or expression. It's customary to write polynomials in order of descending powers of the variable. This is called standard form. So we have the highest exponent first, and they decrease from there. The vocabulary of polynomials includes terms. Those are values that are being added or subtracted. Terms include their signs. So for example, we have negative 4x cubed, that's a term. 1/2 x squared, that's a term. And minus 10, those are all terms. A polynomial is a sum or difference of terms. So our example here is negative 4x cubed plus 1/2 x squared minus 10. Notice these are the terms from above. That's called a polynomial. The degree of a term is the power on the term, or the sum of powers on a term, and that's the degree of that term. So negative 4x cubed, the degree is 3. That's the exponent there. 1/2 x squared has a degree of 2. And negative 10 has a degree of 0 because there are no x's attached to it. It's not multiplied by any x term. Next we have the degree of a polynomial. And the term with the largest degree describes the degree of the polynomial. So in this case, negative 4x cubed plus 1/2 x squared minus 10, the degree is 3 because that is the highest exponent. It's larger than 3, 2, or 0. 12m cubed plus 5m to the fourth plus 4m squared has a degree of 4 because that is the largest exponent. We have 3, 4, and 2. 4 is definitely the biggest. The polynomial 8r cubed s minus 13r to the fourth s squared plus 9rs has a degree of 6 because in this case, this term has a degree of 4 because our variables, our exponents, have 3 and 1. Whereas the second term, we have 4 plus 2, so that's a degree of 6 on that term. And the last one has 1 plus 1, so this has a degree of 2, so the largest of those is 6. Now the leading term is the term with the highest degree. And then the leading coefficient is the coefficient of the leading term. That is the leading coefficient. 12m cubed plus 5m to the fourth plus 4m squared has a leading term of 5m to the fourth because, as we said, that had the highest exponent, and the coefficient of that is 5, meaning the leading coefficient of that polynomial is 5.